All right. So we just moved into this new house and we got several pairs of skis and we don't have a good place to store them right now. I think that today's project is to make a ski storage rack for right inside our entryway here. I got some scrap wood here in the shop, so let's just see what we can make out of it. So my plan is to use this real thin piece of plywood. I got this piece of pine that I milled up from the chainsaw mill. So my thought is to put in some side pieces to give it a little wiggle structure for the bottom piece. And then I have this other piece of live edge that I want to put at the bottom like that. And then I'm going to cut some notches spaced periodically throughout the length of it so the skis can slide in and the bindings can get held right at the top of this. With this going down here on the sides, getting hooked in to kind of make it a shelf. So this should be a pretty quick build. Let's just get into it. So the first thing I want to do is I want to try and plane this down, get a little smoother. So we'll pull out the planer. Okay, so that goes like that. Lovely. We got some skis we gotta check how thick they are. Thick skis. 1 inch, inch and a quarter, inch and a quarter. Okay, these are the fattest bindings we have. So they need to go at least far enough away from the sideboard so they don't get mucked up, because I don't want them to be bumping into stuff. So we're gonna go right there. I'm gonna use this square to do that. So we're going to go with 11. So I did the cut through one side, flipped it over, did the cut to the other side. Now what I have to do is line them up. So I have this little ball bearing one. It should just roll along.